This is how to transfer from AirTM to my ByBit exchange account. In this video, I'll be using my ByBit and AirTM app to transfer this amount from AirTM to my ByBit account. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you open your ByBit app and your AirTM app. To transfer this amount to ByBit, you come to this place. You tap Withdraw. All you need to do is to come down here. You click Search Payment Method. You come to this place to click Cryptocurrency. Don't forget, we're transferring from AirTM to ByBit. You can come down here to search for ByBit. Use your keypad to type ByBit. You can see ByBit. You tap ByBit. You'll be able to see the total amount you have. So this is where you start the transaction. The total amount I have is $6.34. You type $6.34. If you scroll down, the minimum amount you can transfer is $5.31. You can always choose the amount you want to transfer. So to continue, you tap here, you tap it, you click continue. The next thing you want to do is to input the wallet address. That is your ByBit destination address. You can send to yourself and you can send to a third party. So to send to yourself, you click personal. Third party, you click third party. In this case, I will send to myself. So you add your detail. You click add configuration. You can type alias here. You can say my ByBit. You are expected to insert the email that is associated to your account. I will type my email. Email associated with account. This is my email. So you click this to go to next to save. So you can now save here. You click save. Payment method, my ByBit. This is the email address. You click continue. You check the information before submitting the request. This is the amount you are sending to ByBit. This is the amount you are going to receive. So if you are okay with it, you submit the request. You input your two-factor authentication to release the money to the platform. You've done the authentication. The transaction is in progress. AirTM will search for the cashier, that is a peer who is a third party that will send this money to your ByBit account. The objective is that AirTM has collected this money from our account and we only release this money to the peer. You can see, so I've gotten a peer. So you wait for the cashier to send this amount. Immediately the cashier sends the amount, you go to your ByBit to check if the transfer is there. You will now release the funds on AirTM. You can be checking your ByBit. This is the balance on my ByBit account. You can see the peer has confirmed that he has sent the money to my ByBit account via my email. So all I need to do now is to go and check from my ByBit account. Don't forget to sign up to ByBit. Ask JOFA is my sign up bonus code. You'll be able to get $50 sign up bonus and you'll be able to get up to $30,000 in deposit welcome rewards. You can see that the money has come and I've received the money from my ByBit account. So all I need to do now is to go back to my AirTM to confirm this transaction that I've received the money. So you come here, you tap that place. All you just need to do is to click continue. Look at it, only confirm if you receive the full amount. So when you are sure, since I've checked, I will just slide this. I've done that. Great, transaction has been completed. You can now rate your peers if you are okay. The total amount of $6.34 has been sent to ByBit. I've seen the money here. You can check the amount by clicking and refresh the asset. Look at it here. This is the amount I received. So this is how to receive and transfer money from AirTM to ByBit. So what do you think? All you need to do is to use the links below the description of this video. Also, do well to check out my YouTube one-on-one training. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comments, and I promise to get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now.